All right, let's have some fun. If you love good food or run a place that serves it, I've got a quick trivia challenge for you. Let's see how well you know a real commercial-grade pizza oven. How much heating power does this oven pack? Is it A, 2,000 watts, B, 4,000 watts, or C, a massive 6,400 watts? Yep, it's a beast. That's why it heats evenly, recovers fast, and keeps up during rush hours. Next one. How many decks does this oven give you? 1 or 2? 2 decks equals double the output. You can crank out pizzas up top and bake pastries or bread below, all at the same time. True or false? Each deck has its own temperature control. So yes, you can run one deck hotter for pizza and the other cooler for pastries. No compromises. Last question. What helps you keep track while it's cooking? A, guessing. B, opening the door every 10 seconds. C, clear glass windows plus internal lights. No more guessing. You can literally watch everything brown, rise, and crisp. Here's what ties it all together. Heavy-duty stainless steel, even convection baking, easy cleanup, and the reliability you want in a commercial kitchen. If you scored high or just realized you need something this powerful, check out the commercial 6,400-watt double-deck convection pizza oven. It ships fast, it's restaurant-ready, and honestly, it just gets the job done. And if you've got questions, reach out anytime. We're here to help. Visit Saksby.com and contact us at 1-8447-175-044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.